Hi, it's Dan from Professional Electrician magazine. We're here at Sandown Park in Esher for Elex 2015. Today I'm going to show you around and show you what some of the exhibitors have in store. So we're at the Working Smarter Hub with Super Rod. This is Sam, who's going to show us their new product, the Flat Wrap. Sam, tell us a bit more about it.
This is our new fish tape. Basically, every electrician should have a set of rods and a fish tape. A lot of the fish tapes are circular. Ours are flat, hence the flat wrap. But you get a lot more control over this than you do a circular flat wrap. It's 10 meters, and yeah, it's just something every electrician should have alongside a set of rods. Yeah, so basically, a circular fish tape, conduit, office trunking. They basically follow themselves. With this one, not only you can use it behind conduit, and you can literally send that across the floor. You've got a lot more control over it behind walls, ceilings, and it's all self-contained. A lot of them, they're just held together with insulation tape and they spring all over the place. But yeah, it's a nice little attachment. The attachment on the end as well, you can use a magnet to pull it up the other side as well. So it's when you can only just see it, you don't want to make the hole big enough to put your arm through, you can just put the magnet in and pull it up the other side as well, attach your cable, and then you've done the whole installation easy. So yeah, every electrician should have one of these alongside their rods now. Yeah, the flat wrap.
Now, Elex wouldn't be Elex without the free bacon roll. It's become a staple over the years. Be honest with me, mate, is it the best bacon sandwich you've ever had?
Probably.
Yeah. Good to hear. We're here on the Nipex stand with the new SWA ratcheting cable cutter. Steve, can you tell us how it works?
Yeah, sure. So this is the new, SWA ratchet cable cutter. We have a locking mechanism, keeps the handles shut. Open the handles, which releases the mechanism to insert the cable. Insert the cable like so. So you engage it. You've got several ways of using it. You can actually use it like that, or it's got a stable base, which means you can actually cut through with great ease. This is only 16mm. It actually goes up to 45mm diameter cable, and there you go. Gives you a nice clean cut every time.
Thanks a lot, Steve.
It's all right.
So I'm here with Gavin on the Dymo stand, and he's here to show us the XTL 500.
So this is the new XTL 500, launched in October of this year. Pretty much designed with ease of use in mind, so that's the key thing. The product itself is ideal as it prints on 54mm tape, up to 54mm that is. So effectively what you've got is fully compliant regs labels for the 17th edition 3rd Amendment of the wiring regs. Also very useful for an electrician would be your consume unit or your 3-phase board labels, which are found very, very easily in the menu display here, either horizontal or vertical breaker. And to produce one of those labels, you just simply press on that. As you can see, your standard width for your MCB on your distribution board. I want a 6 wide, so I'm just going to type in 6 wide. I then go and I can change the size of my breakers. So in breaker number 1, I want to put an RCD. So I'll double up the width and I've got an RCD width ready to go. I then type in, that's auto-populated, but I can then delete that. Normally that would be blank. This is the last label I left on here. So if I just delete that, I can then type in there RCD. Everything else can be populated quite easily just by tapping on it, and then type in lights, sockets, whatever you want.
So some of the stands have got challenges in place where you can challenge your boss, challenge your mates. Let's see what's on the Fender stand. So, Fender, how's the darts challenge coming along today?
Absolutely, not so bad. We've got 13 one up. So
Oh,
we don't
brilliant.
have a winner today.
So how does this challenge work then? Have they got to beat you?
Or all a 200 start.
Okay.
Yeah, they've got to try and beat me.
Now we're here on the Ansel stand where people are taking a spot of golf. Under pressure now, let's see how he gets on. Very close, very close. So Elex is a great place to pick up a deal on a bacon sandwich. We also have an extensive seminar program that gives you the latest updates to the wiring regulations. In this seminar room, as well as the IET forum, where you can quiz some of the industry's technical experts. So we've got to show you this product on the Milwaukee truck. It's the 4-in-1. This won our Products of the Year award in 2015. Great product for electricians, and Adrian's going to show it to us today.
Yes, fantastic product indeed. So this would be your little 12-volt compact screwdriver, right? Nothing too original about this, plastic screwdriver. That can then become a drill driver. You get your chuck, put it towards you, fit it in. As you can see, you can leave your bits in or not, so it's not a problem. So you fit it in, drill driver. Now, if you've got to put a screw in a compact, tight space, you've got your angle chuck that can be placed all around, right? Obviously for screwing, but also for drilling. When you're adding the chuck, you're not losing any torque, you're not losing any power at all. And finally, the last one is the offset chuck. So then again, this is all about accessibility, this tool. Fantastic product.
Here we are on the D-Line stand. Amendment 3 has been a massive talking point in the industry this year. We're here to talk about how the safety clip helps you comply with the latest regulations. Steve?
Yeah, well, we started off 9.5 years ago with a very simple clip that was originally designed to fit inside our own D-Line trunking.
Right.
But then come along the start of this year in January, and the Amendment 3 kicked in, which now requires cables of all categories to be retained by non-combustible means when running in escape routes.
Right.
So we made a few amendments to this particular clip, but at the same time also introduced 2 larger sizes. The reason for this was because we wanted to make sure that our clips fitted inside all trunking that was available on the market at this moment in time. When using the clips, it's very simple, just fold one tab over, and if you start off with the clips when you're running vertically this way, if you do the next one, fold it over the opposite direction, when you insert the cables they won't fall out the trunking, and you won't have to chop up sections of lid like this, which can become wasteful. When you finish your cabling up, all you then do is to fold over the second tab, put the lids on to become fully compliant.
That's it from the Professional Electrician team here at Elex Sandown Park 2015. We've seen a lot of new products, and it's been a great show. For more information on next year's shows and to find one near you, go to elexshow.info. See you next time.
Good show. Good show.